Hello guys and welcome to EduFil. Today I will share with you an SEO strategy that personally helped me to get a ton of organic views on my 3 different blogs. This strategy works for all type of niche, so relax and enjoy the video. Firstly, come over to semrush.com. I have put a link in the description, so click on it and you will get an exclusive 7 days free trial. I am using this tool since quite a few years and it's my personal favorite SEO tool. I highly recommend you to use this tool. Now for this strategy, we will use this feature right here. On the left side, it's called Keyword Magic Tool. Click on it and enter a keyword of your choice. In my case, it's how to start a blog. Now, click on search button after entering the keyword. You have to focus on long tail keywords only. That is, keywords having more than 3 words base. Now, one thing, I have created a new account because my main account has my project saved into it. That's why it's showing upgrade your account. So please ignore that portion. Now click on questions here on the top to find long tail keywords without too much hassle. Now choose one keyword out of the list. For example, this keyword right here is how to start a blog. Choose keywords with high volume and low keyword difficulty. Now copy this keyword and come over to this tool offered by Ahrefs. I have put a link in description for this tool. Paste the copied keyword and click on check keyword difficulty button. After that, a CAPTCHA will be prompted. Solve the CAPTCHA. Now this tool will tell you how many backlinks are required to rank for this search term. If you don't know what a backlink is, watch my first video of this channel. As you can see, here it's saying that 569 websites must have your backlink. So it's very difficult to rank for this keyword. I recommend you to choose keywords that have low keyword difficulty and requires less than 100 backlinks. Now let's say you find such a keyword. So how to get all these backlinks? Now come over to SEMrush again and here on the left hand side click on link building tool. An interface like this will open. Now here you have to enter your domain name. I will enter my new registered domain name here and click on start. Now this will open up. Enter a few keywords that you have found so far, separated by comma. Here I am entering just 2 keywords. And after entering those keywords, click on add button. Then click on the competitors button present at the bottom of the screen. Here you have to enter domain name of your competitors that you want to outperform. Again I am entering just 2 domains here. Click on add button after doing that. And then click on start link building at the bottom of the screen. Now after that, this interface will open. Give it a few seconds as it will be collecting a few prospects for you. Then click on view prospects button. It will show you those prospects whom you can reach out to and ask for a backlink. Just reach out to them and ask them to give you a backlink, and in return you can give them some useful infographics or a service that you can afford, something that's valuable for them. Maybe you can give them a new and great idea for their next blog or share their blog to your group in exchange. SEMrush will allow you to contact them via email, which is a preferred method of communication for most people. So I hope that you will find this strategy helpful, and if you have found so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now I am again recommending you this tool as it has a ton of features that you can leverage to get massive amount of organic views. I have put a link down in the description below. You can click on it and get an exclusive 7 days